Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Ford Kuga Titanium, stock reference number 5228. This shape runs from the 11th month 2014 through the 9th month 2016. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left car to pist have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, power lift type, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors have one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.